Welcome to the best picks. The best toddler ramps is probably one of the most exciting toys you can get for your little ones. These ramps are designed to spark joy and creativity, offering a fantastic way for toddlers to develop essential motor skills, understand basic concepts, and let their imaginations run wild. In this video, we'll dive into the world of toddler ramps, exploring what makes them so great and helping you find the perfect one for your child. Number 5. Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage Track Set. Get ready for an enormous Hot Wheels garage. It's packed with storage and exciting racing challenges. This playset will inspire imaginative play. This garage features a vertical tower that can park over 100 Hot Wheels cars. Two 1-hour 64-minute scale vehicles are included, so you can start playing right away. Send cars up the elevator, 2 at a time. Then, watch them speed down the side-by-side racetrack from the top. It's a thrilling downhill challenge with big air jumps. Watch out for the hungry Robo-T-Rex. He's looking to devour some tasty Hot Wheels vehicles. It adds an extra layer of excitement to the play. Expand the adventure. This set has multiple connection points. They work with other Hot Wheels track sets, allowing you to create your own unique Hot Wheels city. What we like. This playset offers a massive garage with multi-level racing. It also includes a thrilling T-Rex Dino feature. If you have a child who loves imaginative play and exciting challenges, they will be thrilled with this set. What people say. He loves the 2-car elevator and racing tracks that descend the garage. It was easy to out together and stand sturdy. Most Hot Wheels cars will make their way all the way down the track if the T-Rex doesn't get them first, so you can buy pretty much any car and it will work with this product. Number 4. Hot Wheels Track Builder Multi-Lane Speed Box. Introducing the Hot Wheels Track Builder Multi-Lane Speed Box. This set offers endless possibilities for exciting stunts and head-to-head racing. Get ready for some high-speed action. Connect the track to the lid for an awesome gravity drop stunt. The design allows for thrilling drops and impressive maneuvers. It's a blast. The bottom of the bin features a 4-lane jump for a spectacular finishing stunt. Watch as the cars soar through the air. This feature adds an extra layer of excitement. Everything fits neatly inside the bin, making it easy to take the fun on the go and store it away. The design is perfect for convenient storage and portability. The box and lid are also part of the track, with multiple connection points. Plus, it's compatible with other Hot Wheels sets, so you can expand the fun and build an epic racing world. What we like. This set is designed for multi-lane speed racing and easy storage. It is also very portable. If you are looking for a track set that is easy to take on the go and provides a simple storage solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tracks are flexible and don't break easily. One of the best parts is the launcher, which is really durable. It doesn't use rubber bands to launch the car, it just uses one to pull the lever back into place after launch. You get over 10 feet of track loop stuff, and even more connectors than you need to make 1 or 2 tracks. The connectors are more solid, a major factor in the success of the toy. The launcher is quality and can withstand being stomped on, and the crate itself is an awesome piece for making the loops, hills, bridges, and jumps. Number 3. Hot Wheels Track Builder Fuel Can Stunt Box. Get ready for an awesome racing and stunting experience. This set is packed with everything you need to build an amazing course. It's perfect for kids who love to experiment and create. The container itself transforms into part of the playset. It's designed to look like a gas can, and it opens up to reveal all the track pieces and accessories. This adds more stunting and racing options. Each piece is compatible with other Hot Wheels track sets. This allows kids to expand their track system and build the course of their dreams. Additional sets are sold separately. The fuel can has dedicated storage spots. This makes it easy to keep all the pieces organized and prevents them from getting lost. It's a great way to keep everything together. One Hot Wheels vehicle is included. This makes it a great gift for kids aged 6 and older. They will have everything they need to start playing right away. What we like. This set comes in a unique fuel can design and allows for customizable track building. It also has dedicated storage spots. If you like to build your own tracks and keep things organized, this set is a great option. What people say. The car launcher works really well, powered by a simple rubber band. The yellow pieces of the track have higher side rails to keep the cars from flying off. It was easy to put together, had easy to understand instructions, stores all inside its case. Number 2. Hot Wheels Super Ultimate Garage Track Set. Get ready for the biggest Hot Wheels playset ever. This garage is over 3 feet tall and can store over 140 cars. It's the ultimate destination for imaginative play. A continuous motorized elevator transports up to 23 cars at a time. It's a fun and efficient way to move the cars up and down, keeping the action going. Watch out for the gorilla. It tries to swipe cars out of the elevator, adding an element of surprise and problem-solving to the fun. Crank up the competition with thrilling side-by-side racing action. This set is designed for exciting races and head-to-head fun. The set has multiple connection points to connect to other Hot Wheels sets. This allows kids to expand their world of Hot Wheels and create even bigger adventures. What we like. This set features a super ultimate garage with a motorized elevator and a gorilla obstacle. It's over 3 feet tall. If you have a child who loves tall structures and exciting challenges, they will love this set. What people say. The gorilla goes all the way up to the top and then slides down and goes back up again. Cars can exit onto 5 different floors. Make sure you close the exiting switch fully when cars are not exiting on those floors so cars don't get stuck. Fully closed or fully open, no cars will get stuck. If so, takes 3 seconds to get back going again. He loves the gorilla and squeals with delight when it climbs to the top of the tower and then comes whizzing back down. Number 1. Hot Wheels FTH82 Loop Star Toy Vehicle. This Hot Wheels set brings fast-paced fun with iconic cars and an ultra-cool orange track. It's a classic way to enjoy Hot Wheels, offering exciting action for everyone. There are 4 different sets available, each providing a unique and thrilling experience. They are designed to keep the excitement going, offering diverse ways to play and enjoy. Each set includes kid-activated launchers, perfect for competitive moments. Kids can challenge their friends and enjoy exciting showdowns with this feature. This set easily connects to other Hot Wheels track sets, sold separately. This allows you to expand the play and create an epic track world. Collect them all to build an amazing world of stunts. With multiple sets, you can create a vast and exciting environment for endless fun. What we like. This set provides fast, fun, and classic Hot Wheels play with kid-activated launchers. It also connects to other sets. If you like classic Hot Wheels play with competitive moments, you should consider this one. What people say. It needs a very light car to make it through the loop. Small loop. Works great. This is perfect for a younger child, 4 to 5, easy to put together and really durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.